Why are you cutting it up, James?
So I can make it into a jigsaw.
So you're going to piece it all back together?
Yeah. So I'm going to just glue it. Right. Yeah. I'll have to put across here. Because I've seen how messy that construction area is.
I know, it gets real messy, doesn't it?
Yeah. Every day it gets more messier.
Yeah.
Can you pass me the glue, please, Miss Phil?
I can. There you go, James.
What's the other bit?
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What's the other piece you have in schools? Of the car? Will that have run out of stick? How will it spin?
So now what are you going to do?
Glue it together.
You're going to use one of those so that you can get an idea of what it needs to look like.
I know what it looks like.
You already know?
Yeah. Because I can see how I've cut it out.
So what are you sticking on there then?
The wheels.
The wheels.
Is that the other wheel?
I don't know.
Yep.
Is it?
Yep.
Good.
After this I've got the tree.
That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? So how do you know that that's where that needs to go?
Because because on the paper on the cat I've seen how I've cut it out.
I see.
Does that go there?
Do you think?
No. There. Does that look right to be in the car?
Why don't you get one and have a look? And you can have a look and see which one looks right.
No. Can you see which side it's on this course? Can you see which side it's on?
What about this bit? Is it that bit? Or is it the back? The front?
Where did it do it? Which way does it go? I'll stick it on the wrong way.
Oh, don't worry, just put glue on the other side.
Poppy, do you want to go? Right.
It's looking good. Have you got all the pieces or are you missing a piece?
Look at it.
What do you think?
That's what it looks like.
Yeah. Yours nearly looks like that though.
Right. I'm missing it.
Has it gone underneath your paper or is it on the floor maybe?
Should I check this on my other cat?
Yeah?
No pieces under there.
You might just have to make a different type of car, might you?
Right. We've got the wheels, so that will go there.
You can, you're right. You've made a bit of a different car there, haven't you? What kind of car have you made?
I know.
The else is allowed outside.
Look at
What is it, James?
It's a parrot car.
A carrot car. Why is it a parrot car? Why is it a parrot car?
Because it's got a bonnet upside down.
What does that look like on a parrot then?
It's its bonnet.
Oh.
This is saying it can smash through anything, Miss Coles. Miss Coles, it can smash through anything.
Can it? What, with its bonnet?
Yeah.
How does its bonnet work then?
Miss Coles, which way does this go?
Oh, I don't know.
Can you see?
I think that looks about right to me.
Yeah. That. I think that one there. What does it look like this goes, Miss?
You figured it out?
I've got another piece. You see it?
How did you figure that out then?
Because I looked at this car
Good boy.
there. Oh, can you help me put it together, Miss Cole?
Which way do you think it needs to go first?
Um,
Whereabouts is it going to go on your car?
at the back.
Right, so don't stick it down yet, just place it where you think it might need to go and see if that's right.
I know. I know what I can do. I can make a tow line.
A what?
A tow line.
What's that?
It's a little long line that can tow things.
Oh, what kind of things have a tow line then?
And like the book C from Octonauts.
Is that what's Octonauts? Is it a book?
No.
Is it a programme?
Yeah. I have got the book of it though.
I'm sure I've seen a tow line like that on another kind of car before. On a different type of like van maybe. Have you?
No.
No.
I have seen one in Octonauts though.
A tow line is used on some trucks. You know when cars break down?
Yeah, I've seen one on the tow truck before.
Yeah. In case the car breaks down and they have to tow it somewhere else. That looks really good, James. You made your own car out of that, haven't you?
Yeah. Right, can you name it? Three, Robin. Whoa. Who's that yowling?
I don't know who that is. Michael.
Can't be a fox.
A fox? The fox is yowl?
Yeah, on the night.
On a night? Why on a night? Why not during the day?
Because I don't know.
I don't know. Did they come out during the day?
Yeah, on the night when it's getting dark, they do.
Yeah.
Not on the day.
But not in a day.
Miss Girls, will this stay up at night? Because that's when it's morning, so Wilson. But when it's morning, they think it's night time.
Good girl. What could you put here at the bottom of your tow line?
Miss Coles,
Yes.
can you cut me a little hook out on that piece of paper?
You could try. I'll let you draw one and then you can maybe cut it
I
out.
was going to do one of them. Can you draw one and cut it out for me this afternoon?
This afternoon? What's the magic word?
Please.